Where am I? Oh no, I'm back in time. Oh no. No, no, no. And why is everything flooded? Oh no. Oh no. This is bad. Oh no. Oh, come on. What's this? Bybot 002. Bybot will keep you and your family safe 24/7. It watches, it listens. That's a bit creepy and lets you know about any possible dangers in your life. It can also answer many questions from the upcoming weather to history facts or just give you its opinion on whatever you want. Alright, so. Oh, is that it? I'm guessing that's it. Let's continue reading. Oh, lovely way to get back in time, or this is still, from what I can feel, like the fifth iteration of Time, or except now it's Flood, so I guess Time or 5, the Flood. What a creative name. I'm not one to make up names. Let's just continue reading. Rules on how to operate Bybot 002. Feel free to ask Bybot 002 any questions and it'll answer. Never turn on Painbot 001 on. Who's Painbot? It's intelligent and a learning computer, so be polite. Well, learning computers never go well because humanity kinda sucks. In the case of the first rule break, always obey Painbot 001, talk to 002 and ask how to get out. It's not powerful enough to become aggressive if you be polite, alright? So be polite. It's that simple. Do not make it mad. Do not die. Always obey 001. Alright, be polite and obey 001. Hello there. Hi, you may ask a question. Where am I? Your location coordinates are unknown to me. Who are you then? My name is Painbot 002. Artificial intelligence, not human. Wait. Uh, aren't you supposed to be Bybot? Pain? Yes. Yes to pain. Okay. Fun, fun, fun. What is your purpose? To help you. What happened to 001? Oh, shouldn't have asked that. Shouldn't have asked that. Lovely. Fun. Fantastic. Great. Hello? Oh, there's something here. Hello? Electrical box. Alright. I guess, problem sort of solved. Oh, hi, Timore. How are you doing? Whoa. Where did he go? Oh. Hi, Mrs. Filcher. You're trapped now. Haha. You ain't getting out. I should not say anything. I can't squeeze through for some reason. Alright. Let's head back to you. Alright. How do I get out? Find the stairs. Where are the stairs? Well, I guess I only can ask, why am I here? To suffer. Oh, no data. Yeah, where do I find the stairs? The stairs will appear soon. And there was a face for a brief second. Are you okay? Yes. Are you? Kill me, I guess. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. New door. A new day, a new door. That's not really how the saying goes. Hello. Oh, get out now. Oh, hi, Timore. You're in the monitors now. Lovely. He can watch me from computers now. Lovely. Oh. Um. Okay. This is open, and I can actually squeeze through the bars. Oh, this is where the flood is coming from. The stairs will appear soon. Stairs will appear? Yes, you can't leave at any time. Wait for the mannequin to come back. He will leave the entrance open. Oh, lovely, Timor will leave the entrance open. I saw the mannequin already. Of course you did. Yeah, what exactly is the mannequin Timor? He is the eyes for the fear. What? Okay then. Why are you helping me? I'm just answering your questions. Stairs have appeared. The mannequin is back. Alright. It has been a pleasure. Alright, goodbye, I guess. Um, okay. Where? Oh, hi, Timor. You're in all the monitors now. Is this your third phase? I mean, you had your big form. I see you're gaining some more power than before. Oh, there's the stairs. Alright. Oh, I just went up the stairs instantly. That's not normal. Last time I went up instantly up something. Oh, it's you again. Last time I went through something instantly, it was like a checkpoint or whatever. Alright, the thermometer, oh, messing on my words, but starts beeping if the temperature drops down, alright. And you'll know the mannequin is near, alright, or something else. So, temperature gauge, sort of like when I went on a ghost hunt. Yeah. Alright. Ah, lovely. Okay. Oh. News. Alright, July 11th. Hey, that's one day before my birthday. The first 150 people got their first BuyBots. So far, the results are amazing. BuyBot detects fire risk, weather conditions, reminds the user about important things they have to do, keeps a conversation. It's like a virtual buy, but even better, these computers might change the world. I doubt that. I really doubt that. Oh, more stuff. June 10th. Renamed Painbot. Its name now will be Buybot. Oh, so the Buybots are the Painbots. Lovely. To be more kid friendly. That's probably not a wise idea. Got a contract to start production and some people who will help me with the marketing. Lovely. June 14th, they laughed at my creation. I don't blame them. They're too dumb to understand. July 25th, so like 2 weeks after the other news thing, Baybot 2 prototype production has got cancelled. Fine. 002 wasn't as powerful as 001 anyway. I will change back the name back to Painbot. Really? Really? Alright. Well, it's your choice, whoever made it. I wonder who made it. Hello? I want to get out of here. Where do I go? Turn around. Oh, lovely. Fun. Hello, creatures of the dark. I am... Oh. Hi. This is ominous. I don't like this. I really don't. Oh, it's dark. Oh, is that Mrs. Filcher? Is something in the water? Oh, and hi, Timore. Oh, grudge lady, you're looking a bit red. Very covered in, blood. 001 is waiting. Obey. Alright, I'll obey. And there's a lot more timers than usual. Timer, you got a real army at this point. You just seem to get more powerful. Oh, news. Yesterday, 23 people went missing. I wonder why. Kids and adults from all over the country. The common thing was the bots, of course. Alright. And now people are throwing away their bots. That's a good decision. Those people are wise. There's some computers. Alright. There's several computers. And there's a computer here. I'm guessing I'm going to have to activate them all one by one. So I guess I'll go left, right, so on. Alright, let's activate this thing. Alright. Is it activating or I can't tell. Sometimes it's hard to tell. Alright. Oh, hi, Mrs. Filcher. You're just sneaking away, huh? Timore. God damn. Oh, Lord. Hello. God damn. This is definitely fun day. Fun. Oh, this is ominous cell bars. Oh, Lord. What's that? Off. I guess I want on. I'm guessing there'll be multiple of these things, I guess. Alright. So I'm guessing there'll be 6 because there was 6 computers. Hi there, Timore. Oh, something's laughing. I should keep a move along before whatever was laughing catches up to me. Really don't want to die. Dying would be very bad. Let's just keep moving. Keep moving forward. Just keep moving forward. That's a good idea. Always move forward. Alright. Guess next one. Oh. Hi, Timore. Ooh. Teleport power. Nice. Ooh. Nice new teleport power. Oh, man. Something's in the distance. It's like a little dot. Is that Timore or someone else? It's hard to tell. All I see is like a little red dot. And it's fairly small. Slowly getting bigger. Oh, red grudge lady. Still very red. Little Red Riding Hood. I'm sorry, I'm probably just angering it, aren't I? Why are these things so hard to turn on? I don't know. It's probably just a small error. It's like trying to turn on a thing over and over again. It just doesn't turn on. I can understand. I have VR. VR doesn't turn on very easily. Well, it turns on easily. It just doesn't connect easily. Very painful to set up. And plus, I'm way too busy at the foundation most of the time that I often don't have time to do stuff. Oh, interesting. It sent me back here. I guess to the left. Alright, and Come on, send me through. There we are. Oh my. Hello. No one so far. Oh, hi, Mrs. Filcher. Fun. Fun, fun, fun. Fun, fun, fun. Fun for the whole family. Go to demon realms that will almost certainly kill you. Oh, lovely. Oh, Red. Hello. Oh, hi. It's you. Are you going to go in my face again? That was fun. No, you're just going to stand around, little doll girl. God damn. Alright, next place. Oh, hi there, Timore. Oh, and things changed behind me. Nice party trick. Great. Well, darkness. Oh, hi, Mrs. Filcher. Hi. Alright. Oh. Yeah, thanks, Mrs. Filcher. Real nice of ya. Real nice. Okay. Timor, how you going, my friend? Oh, you're really liking your new teleport ability, aren't you, bud? Oh well. Alright. Well, let's just keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Oh, you're looking a little bit red, Timor. You're trying on red? Yeah, I'm guessing so. I'm going to go back. Alright. Two more. Two more things. Alright. And it's still having trouble activating the damn thing. Alright. If you stare into the darkness long enough, you'll see his face. Whose face? Timor? No, Timor's always watching. I guess a different person. Different face. Whose face? Oh. Wait, was that the skull guy? Skull man? Skull face? With the demon gingerbread people? I think that was him. Alright, on. Come on. Why are these so hard to activate? There we are. Yeah, it's Skullface. How are you going, Skullface? Where's your demon gingerbread men? Little goblin boys. Oh. Hi. Very weird. Nice light show, I guess. Alright. Oh. Little spook, I guess. I guess a short spook actually sort of works better than a longer spook. Alright. Okay. More things almostly covered. Oh, hi, Mrs. Filcher. Really likes keeping covered objects in this place, huh? Yeah, I guess so. I guess so. Who are you? Wait a second. Oh, it's you! You were in, like, Nox Timor. Oh, I remember you. You went into my face and all that. Yeah, fun. Very fun. Oh, Lord. Turn on. Thank you. Is he gone? Oh, he broke out, of course. Lovely. Fun. Fantastic. Great. I'm just gonna go. Hi, Timore. You really are everywhere, aren't you? Oh, Lord. You haven't used your big form in a bit. You've been using your new teleport power a lot. Oh, hi, Mrs. Filcher. You're just going into the Shadow Realm. Hello. I'm Painbot001. How can I help you? Um, I want to get out. Do not let the fear see you. Alright, I'll try not to. Why are you called like that? I'm named after my creator's inspiration, Pain. Who is your creator anyway? His name is Frank. Of course it was Frank. How could I not guess? It's always Frank's fault. He's only done one good thing, and that's make a health potion. But it's not even here, so that won't help me. So let's just take it down to 0. He's done 0 good things. Why are these creatures haunting this place? The mannequin lives here. Everything else is what the fear sends to you. Time is up. Alright. Well, I figured Timore lives here. I mean, Timore's always been around. Oh, odd. What the? Oh, hi, Timore. You are huge now. Man. Damn. What the? You may leave a message. Alright. Let me leave a message. I'm walking endlessly. Wait, this is a message from earlier from Sarah. Am I Sarah now? I guess I'm Sarah. Hi there. And you guys are back. You guys are the bodyguards for that doll girl. Yeah. So Frank continually screws up my life. Lovely. Fun. Oh. Okay. Well, ooh. Alright. Damn. Okay. I'm just gonna go. Kill a guard, sure. Let me kill. Oh. Alright. Timer is still in, the thing. Great. Fantastic. Lovely. Oh, man. Alright. I'm going to left and right again to kill the guards or remove the guards. It's just like before in Timore Inferno. Yeah. Why can't I just sneak past? Damn it. Guess nothing can never be that easy. At least I'm getting closer to victory, probably. What's happening in the distance? Grudge Lady? Hi. And Doll Girl. Great. We got 2 dangerous people. Hi. You're gone now. Lovely. Oh, still looking a bit red. Yes, I would like to kill the guard. Oh, summoning circle. Fantastic. You're just summoning your leader. Is she your leader? I don't know. What if she's the girl that Frank gave the dolls? Ah, that probably makes a lot of sense. Those are the dolls. That's the girl. Ah, how did I not realize that? Hi. And hi, Timor. You're still very big. Big boy. So I'm Sarah, I guess. And that girl is the doll girl. No. Yes. Yes, I'm going to get out. You can't keep me here. Stay, don't leave. Nah. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think I will. Let's get out of here. Fine, go. Oh, hi, Mrs. Filcher. How are you doing? Uh, oh, fun. Hi, Timore. Oh, a game of chess. You disobeyed. I'm sorry, Painbot. I'm not your slave. Now we're playing a nice game of chess here. You wanted to leave me? Yeah, I guess so, Painbot. Me and Timor are cool. You're not cool. You're not a part of this inner circle. The game is already over. Drown already. Okay. Oh, drowning in blood water. Lovely. Let's go down together, Timor. Down in our boat. We die together. Ah, yes. Red grudge, lady. Then you from Knox Timor. And then you Skullface. No gingerbread men. Then Mrs. Filcher. And then Timor. Yep. Let's continue to play our chess game, why don't we? Alright. Ah.